Welcome back. Adam is back, and this is Aisha. And today we're about to try some Dave's Hot Chicken. She's trying it for the first time. I had it before a year ago. So, how you feeling?
Well, I was told if you're in the Detroit area, you have to try it. It's one of those iconic places. So, we're going to go give it a go.
For sure. Stay tuned. Something I don't like about this place that it's all the way there, and the parking lot is all the way here, and it's most likely full. So good luck with parking. But you also can go to that plaza over there, the Starbucks Plaza, and park over there instead, because this is Dave's Hot Chicken, and that's the plaza over there. So if you want, you can park over there, but don't take too long so you don't get towed. We got lucky. This is a spot. That's Dave's. So we're gonna cross the street to go. Expect a line though. That's the place. That's the menu. But yeah, compared to other places and other like restaurants, what do you think? It's kind of small, right? Like a chain name restaurant.
It is a chain, so it's not like a big fancy dine-in place.
But at least you can dine in though. There's always a space for you to go, maybe on a loud date, not a quiet date. It's not a quiet date. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned. Okay, they messed up the order. I ordered 4 sandwiches, they gave us 2. The girl didn't even ring me for the sandwiches. So there's 2 sandwiches, the fries, and 2 tenders, instead of 4 sandwiches, 2 tenders, and a large fries. Or a medium fries, sorry. Anyway, that's messed up, but it is what it is. Gonna put you guys here. Try to see what we can do with this. Before that, this is how it looks. This is the loaded fries. These are the sandwiches.
Sliders.
Yeah, sliders. You get coleslaw there, pickles, some sauce. That's how the tenders are. So, these are the sauces. What is that? This is their sauce. This is the signature sauce. And they give you some ketchup and honey pockets. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Let's try that. Is that the medium?
It's very mild to me. The flavor is good.
Flavor is good. Yeah. I don't know about medium.
Well, there are people who think black pepper is spicy.
We did a medium.
Yes, 1157, yes, 1156.
We did a medium. This is no heat. This is mild. So if you want some heat, maybe extra hot or go up with the heat.
I handle the heat, he doesn't. So if he's saying there's no heat,
There is no heat.
don't be afraid to try the
Yeah. Order a medium. It has nothing in it. It's okay. Don't order it. Their medium is a mild. So that was a medium as well.
You got all medium.
Yeah, I got all medium. I messed up. This is the tendies.
Yes, 1154, yes, 1154, please.
Good? Juicy?
Yeah. I'm happy.
You're happy? Is your belly covered?
We got some cheese on it.
For me, it's a good balance.
That's for you. Okay.
It might be a little warm for you.
Maybe.
I've been trying to get his heat tolerance higher.
We'll see about that. This is hot. Okay. It's tingly. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. Thanks. If you want some spice, get the extra hot. It's hot. Because medium is not doing it. Yeah. Get extra. Get extra hot.
Well, this is hot. This is extra hot, which we haven't tried yet.
Oh, this is hot.
This is hot. This one's extra hot.
That was hot. That was not extra hot.
So there's a big jump between the medium and the hot.
Yeah.
Like I expected it to be a little more gradual
That was hot.
because this tastes mild. Medium
Yeah.
tastes mild.
Yeah. Medium tastes mild though. So I'll stick to my medium, I guess.
So this is the extra hot.
This is the extra. Okay. This is extra.
Cheers.
There goes nothing.
My sinus is opened up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Initially, I don't feel like it's that much hotter than the hot, but it does grow. It's a little gradual.
That was hot.
Ever
Okay.
see an Arab turn red?
Okay. Don't get extra hot. Get hot. It's getting bad. Yeah, I started to sweat. Okay.
You want another bite?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good on that. If you want some spice, get the hot. Don't get the extra hot. The extra hot is just extra hot.
It still has flavor though.
It does have.
So if you're like me and you can handle the heat, and you like a little spice in your life,
Yeah.
it's worth the try.
It is hot though.
To
if
me,
you
it's
can.
not so overwhelming to where it's not enjoyable. But for the average person,
Yeah, no. I'm good. If you can't handle heat, don't get extra hot. Just get the hot ones
and that was just one bite, so you also have to consider eating a whole.
and sandwich, yeah. I'm good with my.
You're good.
If you don't handle heat, get a medium. Get a medium.
And if you can handle it, but your partner can't, it's a good one to order so they can't steal your burger. Or your slider.
Yeah.
You need some pickles?
No.
but what do you expect? Should have tried it before the very hot,
Yeah.
because now your taste buds are like tainted. But it's nice, it's creamy, has a little bit of spice in it.
Very creamy. Very. I'm not a fan. What do you think? I'm not a fan.
It's good.
That's good.
It's not your mom's homemade though.
I'm not a fan.
We know.
Okay. Forgot to mention, this place is halal. If you care about that. And it's raining a little bit. And yeah, that place is halal if you care about it. Just wanted to mention that. Also, don't forget, it's 2 hours parking over there. So don't be late. Don't take your time. Make it quick. I'm running in the middle of the street. I made it. Did you make it? You're welcome. Yeah, don't overstay your parking. Sorry. It didn't unlock right away.
Third time's a charm.
Yeah. And I don't know who that is, but if you have some immigration stuff, this guy have a whole car with his picture on it. Right? Okay, that's his number too. But yeah, that place was good. And like I said, it's halal. Don't come in a rainy day though. Just come in a regular day maybe. You know? And I'll catch you in a second. Okay, we made it home. Gonna give you an honest review. What do you think? First time trying Dave chickens.
It's definitely worth a try. If you come to Detroit, Dearborn, definitely have to try it just to try it.
Just to try it.
I do regret not trying the Reaper.
The Reaper, yeah.
Because I
that's
feel
for-
like I
for-
could have handled it.
That's for her, definitely not for me. I'm passing on it. It's too hot for me.
Eh,
Yeah.
maybe
Maybe
we'll
a
get
bite,
there.
maybe a little bite just to try. Yeah, but not a whole sandwich.
Yeah.
definitely.
Maybe like a-
I mean, they have an option about like bites, if you can get bites. Yeah, and then
No, we didn't get those.
no, we didn't get those. But anyway, if you're in Michigan, you're visiting, living, worth a try. For me, it's, I would say, because I tried it before, like a year ago and now, so I would give it 7.8 out of 10. I don't know about you.
That sounds about right. Because I was thinking like a 7.5 out of 8.
Okay.
I didn't really have any major complaints about it, but as far as, because it's one of those iconic places around here that's like, oh, if you're in this area, you have to go. So I think my expectations were a little high after hearing all the hype. And when I had it, it was good. I would recommend it.
Yeah.
The flavor was good, the heat was good. But to me, the hype was just a little over sensationalized.
Yeah, like it's people over exaggerate about it, like it's the best chicken, it's this and that. It's not the best chicken.
Not the best.
It's great,
But it's
not
worth
the best.
it. It is worth it.
It's worth it. Definitely for the price, like what we paid, $43 maybe, 49 with the tip.
I'm not sure. The combo meals, I believe, were like 14 a piece. Like the 2 sliders
something
and
like
a
that,
side, or the
Yeah.
tendies and a side.
Yeah.
So
So worth the price, even though they messed up my order. I
Oh.
ordered 4 sandwiches. I ended up with 2, but
I think
It's
that's
so
a
good.
misunderstanding, but
probably yeah, because it
the
was
service
loud.
was friendly.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
loud and crowded. So yeah, we're getting to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on the next time. Adam is out.